Now, in this video, we want to transfer information to HMI using a flash. We want to put the program on this flash and then transfer it to the HMI. Well, this is the program to be flashed to this HMI. First, we connect the flash to the laptop and disconnect the printer cable. From the file section, click create screen data file. In this section, we can put a password on this program. You save on the desktop page of the laptop. Okay, click OK and file. The HMI file that is saved is inside this folder. First, we completely format the flash so that it is empty of information, so that there is no information inside the flash, and then we transfer this folder inside the flash driver, and then we connect the flash to the USB port of the back of the HMI here. This is the USB port. Which we have taken out using a cable, and now we have to make the setting inside the HMI. In the HMI settings section, we enter the step section, and from this section we select the file manager. Then we enter the file copy section. We select the file from the USB section and we want it to be copied into the HMI, and we click on this icon. Now the program is transferred into the HMI. We transfer the same program we want to HMI by flashing from a Dubsoft software, and we can run the program. These two parts are not activated because there is no communication with the PLC. Now if you look at the conductor, you will see the disconnection and connection of the conductor. So we enter the system settings section and click the option from the file manager section. From this section, we select flash, and in this section, we select HMI. When you click on OK, the HMI programming will be reset and then new program will be transferred to the HMI. So in this way, we transfer the program by flashing on HMI. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.